Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So I'm going to be doing a strawberry soap today, and the base of the soap, we'll start out with that. It's going to be pretty simple. It's just going to have red obviously in it. I'll be using Nurture Soap's Trial by Fire. It's going to have pink. I'll be using Nurture Soap's Pink Vibrance mixed with titanium dioxide to lighten it up, and titanium dioxide from Nurture Soap. And I'm going to fragrance this with brambleberries, strawberry, plain and simple. Just going to do a drop swirl, probably add a hanger tool in it. So let me just go ahead and get started on this. This one's going to be pretty simple. I'll get to the piping when we arrive at that point. I'll go over the piping, what I'm doing then. So I am adding our lye water solution to our oils. I'm soaping it just a little over 90, which I think is going to work just fine for this. As long as the fragrance behaves, which I'm pretty sure it will. So I will bring this to a very light emulsification. We have achieved that. And I'm going to split this into 4 equal containers. And as almost always the case, close is good enough. I will scrape the remnant out of this pot so it doesn't go to waste. And this one is going to be set aside for our piping later on. I am just about out of this. I'm just going to finish that off in there. Yep. I am out of Trial by Fire. I have to get some more. And let's go ahead and put our pink vibrance in here, which I will be lightening up. And let's get our TD mixed in. This is pre-mixed in oil. And put a little bit of TD in this. Okay, a little bit more. And mix our red. give these a quick buzz with the stick blender and pour them. Get them fragrance first and then pour them. So I'll be stick blending lightest to darkest, just a little quick hit. Let's see how our fragrance does. I think it'll behave pretty well. Famous last words. I hope not. No, it's fine. And as a matter of fact, it's doing so well, this is too thin. So let me get a clean stick blender head. And let's hit these again. And I think that is a good consistency to pour. So this is the Brambleberry 10-inch mold. I haven't used this one in a long time, but I wanted to get a wider base for the piping. And let's add a hanger to this. Okay, we'll get this excess scraped into here so it doesn't go to waste. And it doesn't really matter what the top is because I'm going to pipe it, but let's just do something anyway. And this is way too thin to do anything with, so let me just clean these sides up a little bit. And I will let this thicken up while I mix up the soap frosting. So I will see you in just a minute. Okay, so I think we have another winner with this green, with this fragrance, because I stick blended the daylights out of this green with the fragrance in it, and it just would not thicken up. And when I picked it up, half of it fell out the bottom, so I lost a lot. But I think I'm ready. Let's see, and I just hope I have enough left now. Alright, I am back. It's time to cut our soap. I'm going to really like what the main body of the soap is. I still didn't get quite the results I wanted on the top. Better than I had anticipated, but I wanted to build the green up sort of in a triangle, and that didn't work. And I got the idea, basically I wanted the green to be like the strawberry vines, or the strawberry plants, and just have, strawberries periodically, but ended up with too much of that, and I kind of filled in here and there, so not bad by any means, and that's the basic concept, but still need a little practice on that. I didn't make the best looking cold process when I first started all those years ago, so anyway, I also think the individual bars when they're cut will look better. So let's just find out. And here's the inside. Oh yeah, I love the inside. Just what I wanted. With some nice greenery on the top. This part got really hard. So overall, still pretty happy with this one, even if I need a little work on the top. So that is what I have today. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you later for some more cold process. Bye.